my channel Ram Tom. Today I'm covering a beautiful event, Mrs. Chandigarh 2019, a woman of substance. So the event is being held at Park Plaza, Zirakpur. I am one of the contestants in this event and I'm really very excited about it. I'm a little anxious, obviously, it's my first pageant, so I'm really looking forward to what happens. There are like 28, 29 ladies performing in this event, and it's blissful to see people coming out of their regular chores and trying to be themselves, live their lives. Somewhere at the end of the day, you just forget that you are also an individual. You just go on maybe into a marriage and then into kids and then your work and everything, but you just forget that you actually have a lot of substance and you're so pretty in yourself. So that is what I'm doing today. So let's see how it goes and let's see if I make it or not. I don't know. I'm quite positive about it. I believe I can do something. And if I don't achieve anything, then also it's cool because I'm really here to have a lot of fun. I really want to live my dreams, which were somewhere lost while studying for my doctor's dreams. So I missed on this. So it's never too late to participate and live your dream righteously, right? Okay. So we'll catch up with the sessions off and on, and I'll give you a view of how it goes around. So it's a 2 days stay, and the third day is the competition. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Bhatia. I'm participating in this beautiful event organized by the Bombshell Creations and Miss Neha Julkalura. She's a wonderful person. She's given us such a good opportunity to participate in this Mrs. Chandigarh 2019, a woman of substance. So I stand here as a contestant today. So it's not about winning or losing. I'm really happy to be a part of a pageant because throughout I've just been studying. So I'm really excited and looking forward to these 2 days of learning and grooming, and mentors are like awesome. So I'm very, very excited. Let's see what happens and may the best lady win the crown. Yes. Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Cover the pores. Our open pores are not visible if we apply primer. The most favorite.
And highlighting you did with the white?
No, I just used off-white shade. Mascara application, very important. Firstly, the down.
advantage of Facebook. We found everybody, we found our long lost friends.
Yeah.
है ना. शॉर्ट ऑफ होता क्या है कि हम 4 वीक्स लेते हैं, हीमोग्लोबिन कम्स टू 10 एंड वी आर डन विद इट कि हो गया बस बहुत हो गया, बट दैट इज
Last
नॉट
year it
सॉल्व.
came to 12. So I was very happy. But again, something went wrong. I stopped the diet and everything.
And as in
Actually 6 months because 3 months में only the correction is done.
yeah,
The stores are still depleted.
exactly.
So it should be taken for 6
6
months so
months.
that the stores which are producing iron, they are also there to give you energy and then the hemoglobin is maintained.
See, you can all take iron. As mothers, it is our responsibility to supplement iron for all our young girls because majority of them are anemic. और ये सिर्फ anemia correction करने से आप खुद ही feel करोगे कि आपका energy level कितना restore हो जाता है ना. So post तो आप कहते हैं कि चलो infection तो आ गया, but before the exposure it should be given. That is why उन्होंने 9 years fix कर दिया कि 9 से start करो vaccinate करना, but any time is good time.
I don't know. I don't know.
हेलो मैडम्स. अब बाइट में जाके रूम में बनाऊंगी. Today is day one, day one night or whatever, and it's hectic, it's tiring, and it's like what time it is. You can see the watch. It is like बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम. It's too much time. 2:30 बज गए. Yeah, it's 2:30, and we're still practicing. And it's a very, very tough task, no doubt about it, really. I had never thought this way. I thought कि डॉक्टरी में ही होता है भाई, बहुत पढ़ाई होती है, बहुत. It's like a lot of work, trust me. Walking in the heels the whole day, I have never carried it throughout my life, man. It's too tiring. And it's a wonderful feeling. You know, you start feeling so feminine, all of a sudden you feel, oh, you're such a pretty girl. I'm so happy, excited.